You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is the French name for Moses, the prophet. It's pronounced in French as Moïse. The double dot on the I means that the I is not pronounced with the O, otherwise it would be Moise, but because it's its own sound, the I has its own sound. It's an O and then an E. Moïse. How to pronounce, French pronunciation, Moïse. In English, Moïse. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.